friends, this is Miss C here. I'm going to show you guys it's a example of what your final project should look like, also as a template. Remember, I will be working with you to record your videos, and I'm showing them how to present them to the class, so you don't need to worry about that. So, as you see here, this is my famous person. My name is here. Martin Luther King Jr. Then I'll have a picture of him here. What important thing did he do? Martin Luther King Jr., he was a social activist, rights activist. He held peaceful protests that allowed African Americans to have the same rights as white people. What did I find most interesting about him? He never stopped for what he believed in. When was he born? January 15th, 1929. How did they die? Martin Luther King Jr. was killed outside of his hotel room. He was killed by James Early Ray. Where did he grow up? He grew up in Atlanta, Georgia. This is what your guys' assignment and your final assignment's gonna look like. And remember, I'm gonna help you record it. So no worries.